Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm starting this vlog feeling quite unwell. I'm just back from my trip, but I think I have issues with my breathing system, so I want to go to the hospital and see an ENT. While at it, also just run a few errands because I need to travel again after. I bet you can't tell that I'm deaf on one ear. I literally cannot hear using this. The right ear, I can't hear anything, and that's why I'm going to hospital. And you can hear how congested I am as well, right? Yeah.
You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Happy Thursday. Today my mom and I are hosting her best friend. So my mom has been best friends with her best friend for I don't know how many years. Like literally they met when they were like 18 or something, around there. 18 plus 5 because they have some age difference, and they've been friends since. And this lady has been so amazing to us. She was literally even the first friend who came to hospital when at least Mia was born. I hear she knitted some clothes for me, like, and she literally stopped knitting after I was born, but she ensured that she knitted for me sweaters, I think socks, and it's so cute. So today we are hosting her. We have not seen her in a long time. Personally, I have not seen her in years. I think the last time I saw her, was on my graduation, by the way, and that was in 2020. We're now in 2024. That's crazy. But they've been linking up with my mom. They were privileged to work together for all those years until her retirement. She retired last year, so it's been 1 year since she retired. And I've just been telling my mom, Aki, she needs to come and visit us. So today we are hosting, and so I'll be making a fave of the family. You know, me, I don't like cooking, but the one thing that I'm good at is making salad. And so I'm going to make coleslaw. I'll use my cabbage, mayonnaise, some tomatoes, and some carrots. So basically that is what I'm going to be using. On top of that, my mom is the chef of the family, so she's making, this is pilau. We're still boiling the meat, and then she's also like done some chicken here. So I think on the menu is just sorry for the lighting. On the menu is just some pilau and chicken and coleslaw, and then of course there's some juice. In the morning my mom made us some samosas that are made from green grams, which I really like. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to vlog for you the parts that I can vlog for you, but that's the plan. Just to mention, I'm really proud and so yani, I'm so proud of this friendship of theirs. Like, this is the one friend that I can genuinely say I have seen her in being part of our family through the good times and the bad, especially the bad times. She has always been there when we lose a family member, like literally to the point, like right now we are actually related through marriage. There are some people who are married well, and now we are like related, but from not knowing one another to taking care of one another to working together to it was just it's just beautiful watching them. So that is the one friendship of my parents that I have seen that has really blossomed, and I'm very, very proud of.
Like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive. Way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh,
So I'm done making my salad. We are just going to wrap it.
You got me singing. You look like a guy, you could treat me right.
My salad is ready. If you like, you can put it in the fridge to chill. If not, you can just serve it as it is. Our food is also almost ready. It's almost 1. We were expecting the lighting. We're expecting the guests at 1. It's current. Oh, it's 1:09. So I know they're almost here.
One eternity later.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh.
The next day.
Hosting is all fun and games until it's time to wash the dishes. Actually, I don't mind. I prefer washing dishes to cooking. Duh. But we had a great time. And now it's just time to work on these things. Does that get it? So there's still this. There's also this. And this. You know what? There's nothing I cannot handle without some good old music or a movie that's playing in the background. So I'm about to just get into it. And voila. But anyway, yesterday was such a nice hangout. Like, we ended up chilling up to like almost 8 p.m. from like lunchtime. It was good vibes, lessons. Like, I really just loved the friendship that my mom has with her best friend. They were just telling me about how far they've come from. Like, wameteseka. No, for real though. And God has really come through for them. They're blessed, and I just love seeing it. Like, that is the one friendship I have seen that has given me like hope. I'm just like, if I need to put effort in my friendship, it's my friendship with my best friend. Because if my mom and her best friend have been friends for this 40 years, then I need to put effort with my best friend, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. So it was such a lovely hangout. After that, my mom and I literally stayed watching Disco Matanga. I don't know if you guys have watched it, but this series by Awinja, called Disco Matanga. It's on her YouTube channel. Just go and watch. It's hilarious. It was 10 episodes. So basically we were sleeping at like 12 at night watching that with my mom, and we were laughing. We were really laughing, and so it was just good vibes. So we've woken up, we've had breakfast, and the first thing to do is just to do these dishes before now moving on to other things. Happy Saturday. It's so cold. I know in like a few vlogs ago I was just complaining how hot it is. Right now it's so cold. Okay guys, si ati sina msimamo, niko nayo. It's just that I don't like extreme weather. Why is it cold? I'm asthmatic, my sinuses will start acting up. I cannot stand cold weather. I don't even get why people love the rain, but it is what it is. At least chakula itamea. So today is Saturday. I am home alone because my family members have traveled. By my family members I mean my mom. Yeah, so it's lunchtime. I know I look good. After the lighting is not doing justice to this face beat, so lately I've been trying to practice some makeup. What would I call them? Is it routines? Yeah, like pairings, you know, the way you pair makeup together. Yeah, so that is what I have been practicing. I am trying to get a soft glam for me to do every day, probably when I'm going to work. I want to start doing makeup when I'm going to work, because what's the point of being a makeup artist and having makeup products, expensive for that matter, and not actually doing the makeup? So that is what I did. I did this soft glam. I know the lighting is not doing it justice, but I promise you it's a good one. So nikapiga picha kadhaa, nimepost. Right now I want to make lunch. I want to make chapo. This is the second time in my life I'm trying to make chapo. I learned a recipe from Kit Kiarie, but then I've forgotten the recipe, so I'm just winging it. I've just put some flour here, some flour and some carrots. Me, I'm just going to do what I'm going to do. Sibora chapati kulike ama. Yeah, so basically that is what I want to do right now. Then I'm going to have it with some dengu. At least there's dengu that has been cooked. You know me, I don't like cooking, but I was feeling like having chapo instead of rice, because we'll have rice in the evening. So yeah, come along as I make chapati farm. Of course the chapos backfired. Kwani you people had high hopes for them? Kwani amnijui? So right now I'm going to do something interesting. Can you imagine? I'm going to feed the chicken. Like, ni kama mamangu sao mini badi. Because what are these rolls? But because, let me tell you, my entire life I used to fear chicken. Like hens, mimi, kuku, never. So the only way my brothers would terrorize me, my brothers and my cousins, because I grew up with them, they will ensure they bring chickens to me, because they knew that I am going to run. So recently, was it last year? Yeah, I think last year, my mom was traveling and she literally needed someone to feed the chicken. So usually when she travels, she hires someone to come and feed the chicken, because baby girl, I don't go back kuku. So then one day she told me she's traveling for like, was it a week? And she was like, you know, if you feed the chickens for 5 days, I'm going to pay you 1,000 bob. Whomst am I to let go of that 1,000 bob? You guys know, especially if you've grown up, if there's one thing you're not going to see with your eyes is money from your parents. That one, once ume adult sahau. But for my mom to just give me like 1,000 shillings for feeding the chicken, I had to overcome my fear. So it's not like nime overcome fully, but I'm really trying. So come with me as I feed the chicken. Yeah. Yeah. Channeling my inner Miss Mungai. Miss Mungai, how do you do this? Because it's giving. I can't, but I have to do it. Yeah, so the chickens here are in different compartments. Yeah, so I'm just, there's like also different feeds. There's like growers mash, growers and kienyeji mash, I think, at this point. So that is, I'd already been told how to like measure for the growers and for the kienyeji, so that is what I'm going to do. Karibu ni bant. Nisha karibia kubant. This is the grower's mash. So I was told to do 2 cups, to prepare 2 cups, and that's like enough for them. Enye si badi kaina zikitoka. So that's done. Sasa huku kwingine ndo kuna kazi. We have kienyeji. And I was told to do 7 cups. Can you guys even see? some eggs.
I could be the best thing in your life. You got me singing. You look like a guy you could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. You got me singing. You look like a guy you could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Got me singing. You look like a guy you could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. You got me singing. You look like a guy you could treat me right.
Did I die?
Boy, take a
Of course I did not. Yep. So that's done. Definitely not a baddie. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this 2-day vlog. Is it 2 really? It's not 3. It's 3-day vlog. I hope you enjoy. Like this video, share it with your networks to help me grow my channel, and also please feel free to subscribe. It is very free. And if you didn't like this video, not a problem, just come back in the next one. You'll probably enjoy it better. Bye.
let me ride. I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.